Having a thoroughly detailed vehicle is a badge of honor, but there is one area that we don't ever talk about, and that is surface disinfection. Why would we? We never really had to. So if you're interested in looking at specific areas in and around your vehicle that you want to disinfect because of what's happening in the world, well, stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Manny from Manny Drives, and thanks a lot for checking out this video. If this is the first time coming across me in this channel, I mainly talk about automotive related stuff, so take a poke around, see whether or not this is something that you might find interesting, and if so, maybe you might want to consider subscribing and turning on your notifications. We're going to be talking about different areas in and around your car that we're going to be disinfecting, but before we go out to the vehicle, I thought I'd point out some of the differences that I noticed between a cleaner and a disinfectant. Now, this is sort of a generalization, and each product will sort of do their own thing, so it's really important to read the label on the back of the product that you're considering on purchasing. A cleaner is pretty straightforward and simple. You spray it on and wipe it off in most cases, and the idea is that you want to transform a surface that is visibly dirty into something that is visibly clean. A disinfectant, on the other hand, is specifically formulated to kill germs on a surface that looks like it's clean. In most cases, from what I've read, I see that these disinfectants require a pre-cleaning step for you to apply that solution or disinfectant solution to the surface, let it sit there for a specific amount of time, and then you wipe it off with a disposable paper towel. So in a nutshell, basically a cleaner can be sprayed on and wiped off right away to clean a surface, whereas a disinfectant, you'll want to have that surface cleaned already, then you spray, then you wait, and then you wipe it off. So let's go out to the car and let's take a look at the different areas that we are going to disinfect. To do the pre-cleaning process, I actually ran the car through the car wash and I thoroughly cleaned and wiped down the interior of my vehicle. Here's a little tip: before spraying copious amounts of disinfectant throughout your car, use a small amount in small areas. That way, if there's any unwanted effects, you know to stop using it right away. So now that we're ready, let's go through the list of areas we want to disinfect. Starting at number 10, we're going to be disinfecting the exterior and interior door handles, as well as handles that are inside that will help people get in and out of the vehicle. And don't forget the door release on the inside of the car. While we're in this area, it's going to roll into number 9, which is the windows and door lock switches. Number 8 are your seat belts. You want to be able to pull them out so that way you can disinfect the seat belt fabric, and don't forget the seat belt clip and belt buckle. Number 7 is the complete steering wheel, including your horn. My vehicle doesn't have radio controls mounted on the steering wheel, but if yours does, make sure that you cover those areas as well. Number 6 is something I often overlook, and that is your turn signal and wiper stalks. Number 5 is going to be an obvious one. This is going to be your gear shifter. It doesn't matter if you have an automatic or manual, you'll want to disinfect your gear shifter. I don't know if this is a ridiculous idea or an awesome idea, but I recently bought flashlight holsters from Amazon. The reason why I bought them is so I can hold little bottles of hand sanitizer and surface disinfectant, like little guys like this. And since summer is not too far away, sweaters and jackets are not really going to be a part of my wardrobe, and pockets are going to be coming at a premium. So I thought having these little holsters will allow me to have quick access to these little bottles. And yeah, this is where I'm going to ask you in the survey right up top there, is it a ridiculous idea or an awesome idea? And if you think it's awesome, I've left an affiliate link in the description below, so that way you can get one for yourself. It will help support this channel at no extra cost to you. Number 4 is your multimedia touchscreen or your radio. Now with my car, I don't have a touchscreen. It's a single DIN radio, but it does have Bluetooth, and it is an area that I use a lot. Number 3 is close by, and that is your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, otherwise known as your HVAC. And if you do have dual climate controls, it's going to be something that will be used quite often with you and your front passenger. So make sure that you thoroughly clean your HVAC system controls. Number 2 is your center armrest that doubles as a storage area. So you want to make sure that you cover that too. And number 1 on the list is your keys. You want to make sure that you disinfect them and disinfect them frequently. That's it. That's the short list, and I know that you can expand on it, so please do so in the comments section below. And speaking of comments, this is the time where I usually read one of your comments from a previous video, but I would like to take this moment to share with you that there is a contest giveaway coming up very soon. I'm actually really excited about it, and depending on how successful this one is, there could be more coming for this channel. So please make sure that you are subscribed and turn on all your notifications, because it may not be the next video, but it's coming up very soon. Thank you very much, guys, for your time. I really do appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up because it really does help me out. Share this video with someone that owns a car so they too can also disinfect their vehicle. Thank you once again. My name is Manny from Manny Drives, and I'll see you in the next video.